Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Toyota Corolla engine cover. First, locate the 4 retaining clips that secure the engine cover in place. These are usually positioned at each corner or along the edges of the cover. With a firm but gentle grip, pull upwards on each clip one by one. You should feel them disengage with a slight pop. Always make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before attempting this, to prevent any burns or discomfort. Once all 4 clips are released, the engine cover should feel loose. Before fully lifting it off, give it a slight wiggle and check underneath for any hidden hoses or electrical wires that might still be connected. Some models might have a small hose or sensor wire that needs to be gently disconnected. Take a moment to observe how the cover sits, noting its orientation. This will make putting it back on much simpler and quicker. With all connections clear, you can now carefully lift the engine cover straight up and off the engine bay. It should come away smoothly without much resistance. Find a clean, safe spot to place the cover where it won't get scratched or stepped on. This is also a good opportunity to quickly inspect your engine bay for any obvious debris, loose components, or anything that looks out of place before you proceed with any other work. To reinstall, simply reverse the process. Carefully align the engine cover with its mounting points, ensuring it sits flush. Then, press down firmly on each of the 4 clips until you hear or feel them click securely into place. Give the cover a gentle tug to confirm it's stable. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. A properly secured engine cover helps protect your engine from dust and debris, keeping things running smoothly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.